Panelists of Department of Business Administration. Sana Chaudhary. Mohammad Muzammil. Sadia Abid. Alvira Noor. Fahim Tariq. Huda Noor. Wasim Tahir. Usama Ali. And Fatma Gul. These were the high achievers from Department of Business Administration. We are moving towards Department of Computer and Information Technology. Now the students of Department of Computer and IT. Salman Ahmed. Muhammad Arslan Nadeem. Junaid Rafiq. Muhammad Naki. Ikra Zaki. Muhammad Faisal. Ikra Rahman. And last but not the least, from Department of Computer and IT, Anam Fatma. These are the future IT experts who are going to build the future of Pakistan, inshallah. तो इनके लिए huge round of applause for all the high achievers of Computer Science Department. And now moving towards Department of Psychology. From Department of Psychology, starting off with Aisha Mubin. Ahsan Raza. Hafiza Aruba Javed. Raziur Rahman. Nazia Parveen. Mohammad Tanveer Taslim. Pardon me. Irfan Ali. Zoya Bilal. Aisha Rasool. And last but not the least, from Department of Psychology, Fakhrun Nisa. Please clap for these future psychologists and psychotherapists who are going to help us with their expertise in mental health, which is much needed in these days. The next department is Department of English. So I got to check my accent. So, Department of English, starting off with Rukesh Yasmin. Sayyida Shahnoor Jafri. Sadia Sajjad. Ujala Sahar. Sheher Banu Kaisar. So these were the high achievers from Department of English who are going to contribute in English literature in the future. And now moving towards the department of the smartest people in any place, which is Department of Mathematics. Starting off with Nargis Kamal. Muhammad Zaki Nazir. Mr. Faiz Rasool. Faiz Rasool is not only the graduate and high achiever, he is also working at ISB. Umayma Akmal, Nuzhat Ata, Abdullah Jan. And these were the people who are going to become future scientists and build a bright future for Pakistan. So huge round of applause for Department of Mathematics. Moving towards a rather colorful department that help us in seeing the beauty in life and all the creativity, Department of Fine Arts. Starting off with Natasha Noreen Suleiman. Soleha Nasir, Sidra Bashir, who says that boys cannot be creative? Muhammad Rizwan, that was Department of Fine Arts. Now we'll move towards Department of Education. These are the people who are future educationists. Muhammad Jawad Tehseen. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Aisha Ijaz. Muhammad Rafiq. And Nadia Saif. Moving towards a department that brings us spirituality and peace, Department of Islamic Studies. Starting off with Farzana Bibi. क्योंकि ये है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ उर्दू। स्टेज पे तशरीफ लाइएगा सैफुर रहमान। फरीहा रियाज उर्फ चांद। Ladies and gentlemen, it takes a lot of hard work and day and nights you have to sacrifice a lot and then you can achieve this gold medal. So a huge round of applause for all the gold medalists. We're quickly moving forward to the conferment of degrees. I would request the management to quickly move the students और ये प्रोसीजर बहुत जल्दी हो जाए, हमारे ऑनरेबल गेस्ट्स के पास टाइम कम है। We are starting off with Department of Applied Technology. Rizwan Shakur, Mohammad Wasim Ijaz, Ehsan Amjad Khan, Tanveer Abbas, Sher Ali, Muhammad Iftikhar Ali. And now the Department of Computer Science and IT, Mushahid Hussain Khan. Mr. Muhammad. Ahmed Mushtaba. Sayyida Fatma Zubair. Miss Maria. Lubna Parveen. Mohammad Fiaz. Khansa Rana. Rukhsana Nasreen. Warda Mushtaq. Maria Jubin. Quickly moving towards the next department, Department of Business Administration, Amna Anwar. Sheikh Muhammad Amar. Muhammad Abdullah. Anam Hamid. Shahrukh Siddiqui. My own students, good to see you guys. Thank you. Muhammad Osama Maqbool. Muhammad Talha Maqbool. These two are brothers, always together. Adil Ahmed Paracha.
Thank you so much, sir.
Muhammad Talha Khalid. Huma Ali Qureshi. Kurat Ulain. Muhammad Anis. Mehwish Shehzadi. अक्सा हसन, तहमीना ताहिर, सना मरियम, अस्मा खान, आयशा खालिद, अक्सा अहमद, मोहम्मद उसामा, असरा फातिमा, मारिया फहीम, फहद रजा कुरैशी, खंसा सईद, सैरिश खलील, उमायमा जावेद,
इसका क्या करेंगे? ये इधर रख के देखो, खुला होता है ये।
फरजाना बीबी,
ये है ये खुलता नहीं, पता नहीं।
नादिया तारिक,
पकड़ के खड़ा हो ना, ऐसे खड़ा होगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
सदफ बशीर,
इसे करूँ जरा। एडजस्ट कर लो इसमें ना।
आयशा मुनीर, जवेरिया बानो,
बस हम ठीक है।
रमशा नास,
ठीक है ठीक है, अब रख देना, पेज वाइज रखते हैं। गिरेगा तो नहीं गिरेगा।
अब्दुल वाहिद,
चतरा है उसे खाली फॉर्म में रखा है, पेज वाइज रख दो।
मारिया रमज़ान,
पेज वाइज रख दो, बस ठीक है। हाँ ये सही है, ठीक है बस।
अक्सा खान, हलीमा बीबी, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज आप लोग फॉरवर्ड होते जाइएगा प्लीज़। हमारे ऑनरेबल गेस्ट के पास टाइम बहुत कम है, हम चाहते हैं कि आप उनके हाथ से डिग्री रिसीव करें, लेकिन वी हैव टू मेक इट क्विक, सो आई वॉन्ट बी कॉलिंग योर नेम्स। द नेक्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट इज डिपार्टमेंट उर्दू। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ उर्दू से हैं गुलाम सायरा, हुमैरा तबस्सुम, मोहम्मद इमरान, नवीद नूर, किश्वर परवीन, मतीन मोहम्मद, अनम रहमान। And now Department of Mathematics, शाजिया बतूल, कुरतुलैन, अमारा गुलजार, समरीन मलिक, मोहम्मद दिल नवाज, अनीका अकरम, हमजा तारिक, महविश, इमाद अब्दुर्रहमान, हाफिज़ा आमना बतूल, जहरा कुलसूम, उर्वा रियासत, सागिर अहमद, किरण रियाज, सैयदा राबिया वास्ती एंड रायसा अरूज। The next department is Department of Psychology. From Department of Psychology, Komal Akbar, Muhammad Umar bin Rafiq, Fariha Nayab, Farhan Asgar, Rida Kamran, Hamad Azam Hashmi, Muhammad Adil, Neha Jameel, Afrasyab Ejaz, Ikra Wakil, Kehkashan Parveen, it took me a while, Farheen Shahid, Maham Yaqub. I suppose it's, okay, Synovia Salim. I'm sorry if it's misspelled. You can correct me. Ikra Chaudhry, Bushra Arshad, Sonia Fazal, Hashmuna John, Zile Huma, Adila Tawheed, Rabia Mehboob, Noman bin Nasir, Bushra Riaz, Mariam Ahmed, and last but not the least, from Psychology Department, Sonia Noor. Moving towards Department of Economics. Khadija Naqvi, Arusa Mukhtiar, Maria Latif, Iram Naim, Humaira Qasim, and Tahira Naseem. And the last department, ladies and gentlemen,
due to shortage of time, now I would like to request our chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Yusuf Gilani, the former Prime Minister of Pakistan and right now Leader of the House of Senate, to please address with the participant of the convocation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chairman Board of Governors Almas Ayub Sabar Sahab, Dr. Asim Nazeer Sahab, Rector Institute of Southern Punjab, Pro-Rector Professor Dr. Hayat Awan Sahab, Professor Dr. Muhammad Ramzan, Vice Chancellor Emerson University Multan, Professor Dr. Muhammad Kamran, Vice Chancellor University Engineering and Technology, all deans and faculty members, dear students, media, participants, parents, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a great honor and a pleasure for me to address the fourth convocation ceremony of ISP. Let me share with you that our support and prayers have always been with the prestigious institute while its process of recognition. This institute has preeminently distinguished itself among the educational institutes of Southern Punjab. It is because of the diversification and variety of disciplines and fields of study that this institute offers. My young graduates, it is the vision of the management of this institute, dedication of your teachers, and more than the most of your hard work and commitment to the goal of education that finally you have won laurels for yourself, for your parents, and for this prestigious institute. This is by no means a small achievement. The milestone that you have achieved today marks a moment of pride for you, for your parents, for your teachers, and for all those who